Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your JBL Club Pro Plus with a laptop or computer that has a Bluetooth built in. So in order to do this, first we'll need to enter Bluetooth settings. So click on the Start on your laptop, navigate to the settings, find Bluetooth and devices, and then click on Add Device. Now open the case with your earbuds, click on Bluetooth on laptop again. Here we can wait till they are visible right here, our headphones. If they're not show up, then we need to take both of them out. And now let's wait. Here they are, click on them. Now they should connect. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.